So.
Okay, everybody. Frank's up here contemplating and looking at the daunting task ahead of us. How straight is it? How far off is it?
Oh, I'm checking from plumb. I don't know how they did it, so it looks pretty close. I'm gonna make it plumb on the way up, and I'm gonna make a story pole. I'm gonna run this drywall tape all the way up to the top and mark at every single brick, every single stone. I'm gonna mark where it is. So once I get to the top, I don't find myself above or below something I need to have right. I'm gonna mark this whole side, that side.
So are you only doing it along the windows?
I've got to mark the whole thing.
Okay.
But it's going to be interesting to try to figure it out, because I'll have to do it in more than one piece, I think, and then join them all together once I start going up, because otherwise I'll have to go over stuff like that and it won't be accurate. So I think I'll go up a ways, mark it, and then jump over, mark where I jumped over, go up, mark along. It'll all make sense. This is a big chunk.
Yes, it is.
But I haven't started yet, so I still get a chance to change my mind and just fill in all the gaps and cover it up, and then sell the place.
No, that's not how we do things, Betty. Not
That's
how
how
we
other people do it.
Well, that's not us.
Alright, so my idea is, starting with that, I'm gonna put where the mortar joints are. And then when I put this all back together, I should be able to figure out where everything is, and I don't have any measurements involved. So now,
How are you going to identify the tape?
I'll get one.
Well, okay.
Does that sound good?
Sure.
And but because I can write whatever I want.
Right.
Begin tape 2. How's that look? Boy, that's brilliant. If you can read my writing. I know what it says. All right, we got all the grout lines along here. Now I'll just keep going up, but that's the general idea. And we're about to start tape 3.
All right. she is back in action. So Frank can get the story tape done up there and be safe. We pulled out good old Bertha. She'll get him up there safe and sound. No worries. Got a safety harness, so we're all good. You know, safety first, second and third.
Second and third.
That's what I just said. See, continuing on with the story. Bertha helping us out. Well, got the window out. All safe and sound without breaking anything.
130 years, it still worked.
Yeah, it did.
These were the originals. I'll have to do a little research to find out if
The
these little
metal
metal
cables.
bands were original. But it does have round nails, so I don't know. It probably was done in the early 1900s. I had to switch to a hard hat because the top of this window is probably like the top of that one was. So there's loose bricks and everything above there. And I'm trying to take this window out. And it is certainly coming out. So I just don't want to get hit in the head by a brick.
I don't blame you. I don't want
This
you.
wall shouldn't fall down. Right?
It shouldn't.
I mean, it looks a little sketchy.
Yeah, it does.
But it's not the first time we've sketched stuff on this house.
No.
I tried to take the molding off, but the window started coming out, so I was like, oh, I guess I'll do that next. I think I'm getting the molding off now, and then it won't be stuck to the stone at least. And I do have scaffolding right out here, so if I fall out, it's only about 3 feet.
Well, don't fall out.
I'm not planning on it. I'm just saying for the safety of it. Because it's all safe first, second, and third. Alright. Molding's off.
So the molding's off.
The molding's off. Now, let's see if I can. She's loose. Is it too heavy for me? All right, what is that? So, now we know that that other piece of wood was missing on this. See, they did build something else in there.
There's 2 on this one and only 1 over here. This one right here.
Something rotted it out.
Yeah.
Not ratted it out, rotted. So, that's good news. I was wondering how to fix that. Oops. I have some books. Alrighty. Well, I'm glad that was anticlimactic.
Me too.
It's always fun looking at crooked stuff, not knowing what's crooked or...
What's actually straight, yeah.
All right.
And I didn't see a lot of bricks falling down on your head either.
That's because that
Other
extra
board.
wood was there.
Well, good.
On this one, there was no extra.
Yeah.
It had already rotted out.
That's why you can see all those bricks up there.
I just have to take this out before I finish building this wall.
Probably a good idea. Minnie, can I help you? What are you getting in my purse? She's after my chapstick. She likes Burt's Bees. Those are my pens. Give me that one too. Uh-huh. I caught ya. I know what you're after. Uh-huh. Yeah, you got it, didn't you? Mm-hmm. You ornery thing. Get out of my purse. Get out of my